What's up guys, Lil Gamerz here with another video. Today I will show you how to get free Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video content for free. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and smash the like button and share this amazing video. First, open your web browser and paste this link which is in the description box below. On scrolling till you see the download button and then press it. Scroll again and press it, then click allow download and wait till it finishes. Now click install and then wait a few seconds for it to finish installing. Then click open and then click update. And wait for it to finish updating.